The video you're about to see addresses the containment of leaks that could occur in chlorine cylinders. While leaks in these cylinders rarely occur, prompt corrective action by trained personnel using special equipment is required. The Chlorine Institute Emergency Kit A has been a proven tool for the containment of leaks in chlorine cylinders for over a half-century. Over this time, the emergency kit has undergone several key design changes, with the last major enhancement in January 2013. The 2013 model was designed to be lighter, easier to apply, and to increase the overall effectiveness. A comparison between the current 2013 design and previous models highlights these key new features. Kit A Device 1 2013 now contains an integrated hood and yoke device as compared to the previous two-piece configuration. The integrated hood-yoke design, Hood 1A3, allows for the independent tightening of each chain while only using 3 bolts as opposed to 4. This integrated design also significantly lowers the center of gravity of the unit, making it much more effective and easier to apply correctly the first time.
The chain and base assembly differs significantly as well from previous versions. The 2013 design also features a pre-assembled low-profile base.
This design allows for the easy rolling of the cylinder on top of the assembly without the use of a ramp. The chains and base segments in the 2013 model are also much lighter, making the device easier to handle and to store. Overall, Device 1 of the 2013 model is lighter, more user-friendly, and easier to apply than previous versions. Device 2 2013 has been modified to now fit over alternate valve designs. Fuse plug leaks on valves with larger diameter packing nuts can now be sealed by Device 2. Kit A Device 8 has also been significantly redesigned to improve ease of use and efficiency of the device. The 2013 model uses a radial button-style gasket to seal a cylinder sidewall leak. The gasket design requires much less pressure to seal than the previous flat patch design. This advantage allows for applying the device by hand without a wrench. The 2013 design also replaces the standard side chain with a durable adjustable strap. The strap is lighter, wider, and evenly spreads out the force against the cylinder sidewall without the pinch points of a chain. Device 8 of the 2013 model seals the cylinder sidewall leaks more effectively with less pressure than the previous kit patch design. The Chlorine Institute Emergency Kit A Model 2013 has been designed to improve overall effectiveness and ease of application for the chlorine emergency responder.